Welcome back to Factful Finance. If you're a freelancer, you know the drill. The flexibility to set your own hours, the thrill of working on projects you're passionate about, and the satisfaction of being your own boss. But here's the catch. Freelancing can also lead to something that's often overlooked: financial burnout. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by client deadlines, irregular income, or the constant juggling act of work and personal life? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Freelancing, while incredibly rewarding, can also leave you feeling drained both financially and mentally. Today, we're diving deep into how you can avoid financial burnout and achieve a sustainable work-life balance as a freelancer. Now, before we jump in, just a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. Listing apps or strategies doesn't imply endorsement. Always consult a professional for personalized financial advice. Let's get into it. Freelancers have the unique challenge of managing not only their projects, but their financial well-being too. From unpredictable income streams to working longer hours than you'd like just to stay afloat, it's easy to feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle. But with the right strategies, you can avoid burnout and create a more balanced, sustainable approach to your freelance career. So, how can you achieve this? Let's break it down with 4 key strategies. First up, manage your cash flow. The number one cause of stress for freelancers is inconsistent income. One month you're making a great living, the next, it's a struggle to cover your bills. A solid strategy for managing cash flow is crucial. Here's a method that works for many freelancers: the 50-30-20 rule. Take your monthly income, no matter how unpredictable it may be, and allocate 50% toward essentials, 30% toward discretionary expenses, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This framework helps maintain balance even in months where work slows down. For example, Emma, a freelance graphic designer, uses this system and, despite a drop in income during the summer, managed to build an emergency fund that carried her through. Next, set boundaries to protect your time. Freelancers often fall into the trap of saying yes to every project that comes their way. After all, more work means more money, right? Not always. Taking on too much leads to burnout, and before you know it, you're working 60 hours a week, losing time for yourself and compromising the quality of your work. The key here is setting clear boundaries, both for your work and your personal life. Here's an example. Liam, a freelance writer, learned the hard way that saying no isn't a sign of weakness. By setting firm working hours, sticking to them, and communicating those hours to his clients, he not only improved his productivity, but also found time to recharge. Third, embrace automation and financial tools. As a freelancer, you're your own boss, accountant, and HR department, all rolled into one. But this doesn't mean you need to handle everything manually. There are fantastic tools out there that can help you automate billing, manage expenses, and keep track of taxes. Take Noah, a freelance web developer who uses tools like QuickBooks for invoicing and tax tracking. Not only has this saved him hours each week, but it also prevents him from missing important deadlines or forgetting to save for taxes. Trust me, using these tools can make a huge difference in your financial peace of mind. Finally, diversify your income streams. Freelancers often rely on 1 or 2 clients for the bulk of their income. However, this creates a vulnerability if one of those clients pulls back or if projects are delayed. By diversifying your income, you're reducing the risk of financial burnout. Think of this as creating multiple baskets for your eggs. For example, Olivia, a freelance marketer, balances her income from client work with passive revenue from digital products and courses. This combination has allowed her to take on fewer projects, yet still maintain a steady flow of income. By implementing these strategies, you'll find yourself not just surviving as a freelancer, but thriving. The key to avoiding burnout is a mix of financial strategy, self-care, and practical planning. Here's the takeaway. Protect your time and energy by managing your finances wisely, setting clear boundaries, and seeking tools that streamline your workload. And most importantly, don't forget to invest in yourself, because a balanced life makes for better work and better finances. What's the first step you'll take toward achieving work-life balance as a freelancer? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's video, Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips to improve your financial health. We think you'll find the next video on the screen helpful in reaching your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Factful Finance.